US President Donald Trump is set to meet Russian President Vladimir Putin in Alaska on Friday, August 15, 2025, in a bid to broker a peace deal to end war in Ukraine. The conflict began with Russia's invasion in February 2022 and has defied multiple rounds of talks. Announcing the meeting on Truth Social, Trump called it highly anticipated and promised more details soon. The highly anticipated meeting between US President Donald Trump and Russian President Vladimir Putin will take place on Friday, August 15, 2025 in the great state of Alaska. The announcement came hours after Trump told reporters he planned to discuss the ongoing war in Ukraine with Putin. Talks will mark Putin's first visit to the United States in a decade. His last trip was in 2015 for the UN General Assembly in New York. Speaking at the White House on Friday, Trump said he believed that he has a shot at securing peace, hinted at possible swapping of territories between Russia and Ukraine. I will do whatever I can to stop the killing, Trump had earlier said on Thursday, referring to both Putin and Ukrainian President Zelensky. Trump told reporters that he believes Putin is open to ending the conflict, and I believe that Putin wants to see peace. The meeting follows a visit to Moscow by Trump's special envoy Steve Witkoff, who proposed a three-way summit with President Zelensky. The Kremlin confirmed the summit, calling it logical next step in ongoing attempt to end the war. This meeting will be Trump's most direct attempt to fulfill his campaign promise of ending the war within 24 hours, a pledge that has so far faced repeated setbacks despite phone calls, peace talks and diplomatic visits. The summit will be held in Alaska, a symbolic location Russia sold to the US in 1867. The president themselves will focus on discussing the options for achieving long-term peaceful settlement of the Ukrainian crisis, he added. Zelensky has repeatedly pushed a three-way summit, calling direct talk with Putin the only way to make progress toward the peace. Russia has ruled this out for now, saying a Putin-Zelensky meeting could only happen in the final phase of negotiations once the terms are agreed.